Oh, bloody hell. I was looking at the calendar today and talking to Matt and realized that very soon you're going to be on the Bfop website making your decisions and choices about what workshops you're going to go to. And so I want to make a pitch for light painting. Oh my God, is there anything cooler than light painting at Bfop? Absolutely not. Here's what we're doing with light painting at Bfop this year. Last year we had the line in the forest. We're still going up to the forest around Nick's house. Thank you, Nick, which is going to be amazing. But we're doing a few different things there. But down in town at the courthouse this year, early morning, I want to say it was about 8 o'clock. So bring your hangovers, come sit in the courthouse. I'm going to be bringing my whole rig down that I created my duality exhibition with. So that's going to be really, really exciting and beautiful to watch. We're going to be creating those images live for you to see, and you'll, as always, it'll be a bit hands-on so you can have a go. But anyway, at night, this is the big one. We're going to be up at Nick's place, slightly different location from last year, and there's all these great little spots around his house where I'm going to set up these zones, and we're going to do a bunch of different things. You can't come to a light painting workshop and not create a ball of light, right? So I'm going to bring some ball of light tools, just like this over here. You'll be in by a tree on the grass and we'll create a zone, and you'll get to make some ball of light. We're going to bring a bunch of blades so you can get your ninja on, be dancing around and creating beautiful creative shapes with the blades. What else are we going to do? I'll be bringing a bunch of scanners. So light painting, you know, we can use static light like we've got here, or the moon. We're going to have a big ass moon tonight coming through the forest. But what I'm going to bring is some hand scanners. So we'll be finding some little spots around the property, and you'll be in there lighting things by hand, which is just an absolutely beautiful way to light paint a scene. And of course, portraits. I think last year up at the courthouse, we broke some sort of crazy world record for creating portraits. Well, this year up at Nick's, we're going to be using hand scanners and blades and mixing everything together. And I'm going to show you how to make portraits of each other, which is going to be a huge amount of fun. And we'll probably mix up some other bits and bobs in there. Yeah, so Bfop, I can't believe the year has come around already. It's absolutely beautiful. Jump on the website when the tickets come available, lock in your light painting workshops. It'll change your life, and I promise you, they go quick. And I can't wait to see everyone again. Apparently the numbers are up this year, which I think is just testament to what a stunning, stunning event it is. Matt and Nick, you bloody legends.